Hello everyone. Today we're going to do worksheet number 29, chapter Geography 6, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Everyone please open your worksheet. Please write down your name, class, section and roll number. Okay. Now please, everyone, those know the answer, raise your hand. These occur on either side of the equator and extend till the tropics. Options are tropical grassland, coniferous forest, deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest. Yes, Vian.
Tropical grasslands.
Tropical grassland.
Grasslands.
Next, these trees adapt to themselves to dry summer with the help of their thick barks and was-coated leaves. Options are deciduous trees, coniferous trees, Mediterranean tree, temperate evergreen. Jayavardhan,
Deciduous trees.
deciduous trees. Avika,
Ma'am, correct answer is Mediterranean.
Mediterranean trees. Why Mediterranean trees? Yes, Avika. Because Mediterranean trees grow this season are marked for the hot, dry summer and mild, rainy winters. Because Mediterranean trees adapt themselves to dry summer with the help of their thick bark and wax-coated leaves, which help them to reduce transpiration. Next, sal, tea, neem, and shisham are useful for making furniture, transport material, constructional material, all the above. Jia Singh.
Ma'am, all the above.
Yes, options are all the above. These trees don't shade their leaves altogether. Tropical deciduous tree, temperate evergreen trees, tropical evergreen trees, temperate deciduous trees. Yes, Rajal.
Tropical evergreen trees.
Tropical evergreen trees don't shade their leaves altogether. But why not in temperate evergreen trees, Rajal? Next, these are called taiga, temperate deciduous forest, coniferous forest, Mediterranean forest, tropical deciduous forest. Lavanya, which forest known as taiga?
Coniferous forest.
Why? What is the reason behind it? Tell me the reason. Because these are located in a higher latitude of northern hemisphere and the spectacular coniferous found. And this is called because these forests are seen in the higher altitude. Human being cannot easily reach over there. Come to the next two falls. Tall trees with thin pointed leaves and canopies of cone shape on the mountain slopes are deciduous tree. Anand,
Yes, ma'am.
answer beta. Ananya Jain,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
what?
the statement is false.
False. Why?
Ma'am, because the tall trees with thin pointed leaves are not known as trees.
Known as this kind of trees found in evergreen forest, tropical or temperate evergreen forest, not deciduous trees, and these are not deciduous, these are rainforest trees. Okay, there is a close relationship. There is a close relationship between height of land and the character of vegetation. Arav Sharma, Arav Sharma, please answer this. True, false? Jia Singh,
Ma'am, false.
no, it is true. Yes, there is a close relation when we move toward the poles and we can see the vegetation, the variety of vegetation has changed. So as we have the height of land, according to height of land, there is a character of vegetation. The character of vegetation depend on the height of land. Himalaya have almost all variety of vegetation which one can see while moving from equator to polar region. Himalayas have almost all variety of vegetation it is right or wrong. It is right, yes. As we move from equator to pole, you can see all variety of vegetation. The temperate evergreen forests are located near equator and close to tropics. Yes, Anshika. Anshika Singhal.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer fourth, true, false. The temperate evergreen forests are located near equator and close to tropics.
Ma'am, false.
Dhyan,
Ma'am, false.
okay. Avika,
Ma'am, according to me, this statement is false as temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region.
Yes, ma'am.
mid-latitudinal coastal region. So
Yes,
they are,
ma'am.
yes, the tropical evergreen forests are found in near equator and close to tropics. Savanna grassland are found in Amazon region. Lavanya,
Ma'am, can
Ma'am, it is wrong.
it is wrong. It is found in
Ma'am, it is
South.
found in Africa.
Now come to the next. Phillips. Moses lichen are called dash type of vegetation, while coniferous forests are called dash. Moses lichen are called. Yes, Rachel. Yes, Rachel. Jia Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Mosses lichen are called dash type of vegetation. Yes, Rajal. Swastik. Swastik, unmute yourself. Okay, write on chat box. I am unable to unmute. Now try. Mossy, yes, Swastik, right. Mosses and lichen are tundra type of vegetation, while tundra type of vegetation and coniferous are called taiga. Yes. Elephant, zebra, giraffe, deer, leopard are common in tropical dash grassland. Which grassland? Name that tropical grassland. That is, yes, Jayavardhan.
Tropical grasslands.
No, better name that grassland. That is tropical savanna grassland. Savanna. Next, Mediterranean region are known as dash for their food cultivation. Anshika Singhal.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer third, Phillips.
Ma'am, orchards of the world.
Orchards of the world, yes. The change in the type of natural vegetation occur mainly because of the factor. Those factors are responsible for change in the type of natural vegetation. Yes, Vian. Name these factors. Those are responsible or on depend the type of natural vegetation depend on that.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, Vivek.
Ma'am, temperature, humidity.
Yes, and moisture. Very good. These are two main factors on which the natural vegetation depend for its site. Yes. Dash is the one largest snake found in tropical rainforest. Jayavardhan.
Anaconda.
Anaconda, yes. Let's do this tropic rain for match the columns. Okay. For this, everyone first do correction. One correction over there. Here is write down over here H. Okay. Now let's do tropical rainforest. Yes, Dhavanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tropical rainforest. Match tropical rainforest with column B options.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, B.
No.
Mom, I think so it will be F.
Yes. Rosewood, ebony, mahogany. F is answer. Tropical deciduous forest. Swastik.
G will come in the place of H.
Yes, Gia.
Sal, teak, neem, shisham.
Very good. Sal, teak, neem, shisham. Next, Gia. Temperate evergreen forest. Temperate evergreen forest. Oak, pine, eucalyptus. Temperate deciduous forest. Yes, Vivek. Temperate deciduous forest.
Ma'am, temperate deciduous forest.
Yes.
Ma'am, thorny shrubs. No, ma'am. Orange, fig, olive, grape.
Temperate deciduous forest.
Yes, ma'am.
Is oak, ash, beech. Okay. Now, Mediterranean, orange, fig, and olive and grapes. Next, coniferous forest. Yes, Sharvil Bhatt. Sharvil, coniferous forest. Jayavardhan.
Cheer, pine cedar.
Yes, she pine cedar. Very good.